Good morning, madam. I was wondering if I could chat with you about 2 minutes.
Sure, young man. What about?
I was wondering if I could talk to you about legal services.
Wait, what?
Why is it that every time people think about legal services, this is the scene they are imagining trying to prevent from being said?
This is where my mind automatically took me when you said legal services.
Do you know there are over 100 other situations I can name that have nothing to do with criminal charges?
Situations you live and go through every day? No one is thinking about asking anyone but Google for legal advice.
Why not?
Most feel they can't afford it.
What if I told you there was a way to have peace of mind about any legal aspect of your life for $1 a day?
$1 a day? To talk to a lawyer. Clearly this is some scam.
I assure you it's not a scam. The company is over 50 years old and growing by the thousands.
$1 a day, you say? So $30 a month to talk to a lawyer about hundreds of legal topics and situations that I may be going through. 50-year-plus old company? I've never even heard of such a plan existing, and I'm well over 50.
Well, see, that's the problem we are trying to solve. We are trying to spread the word and tell more people about this service, because they don't know it exists. We have helped over 1 million clients, but there are billions of people in the world. Let's get out of here and talk more.
Sure.
Much better.
Sorry. Okay, tell me more. I'm far too old to be thinking about spending time in jail, young man, but that is the first thing I thought about. What other things are there?
I'm glad you asked. Have you thought about protecting your family in future? Legal services for estate planning, wills, trusts, and family law. There is nothing criminal about that, is it?
Well, certainly not. The will is something I've been putting off myself. Go on.
Well, I'm not gonna keep you too much longer, but I will give you a few more things to think about and maybe you can share the information with a friend. What about securing your business and assets? Maybe you have family. This is business law, intellectual property protection, and contract drafting. How about just navigating life's major transitions like getting married, buying or selling a home? Well, that's some real estate law. Then you have things divorce, adoption, custody, and immigration that falls under family or immigration laws.
Who thinks about all these things? Isn't it better to wait until you're in the conflict?
That's where peace of mind of having the service comes in. No different than feeling better that you paid your insurance claim this month and someone rear-ended you at the light. You're upset because this will take time, but you're not worried because you have insurance.
I mean, if you look at it that way.
I don't know any other way to look at it. We have insurances and policies in place for everything else in our lives, from renters to homeowners, healthcare, phone, car, pet, life, burial, flood, fire, and now even crisis insurance. But what about legal?
You're right. I have all those. I even have foot insurance, because I was a foot model.
I tell all my friends that it's better to have and not need than to need and not have. What's $1 a day to put your mind at ease about all the questions you wanted to ask anyway? Instead of $250 or more a consultation, it's free with your membership, and you can schedule as many as you need.
Really?
Yes, really. And that will you need to have done. Well, that comes free with your membership. We will ensure your family gets your last love letter.
I'm glad you stopped to chat, young man. Thank you.
No, madam, thank you. Let's see about getting you all signed up. Come join the millions of other members who have been assisted with countless legal concerns. We are still just a tap of the app away from them. And we look forward to helping you too. Click the link in the description to get started. Remember, we don't always share what we are going through, so share this with a friend or someone else. It may help another family or business in need. Thanks again for watching. Take care and God bless.